Hi everyone, here's my Tamiya Comical Avante unboxing and build. Here is the view of around the outside of the box. The body in this kit already comes pre-painted in metallic blue. A view of inside the box. Here is everything laid out that comes in the kit. I was quite surprised once I got everything out of the box actually how much is actually in this kit. Here's the manual. Yeah, definitely worth having a bit of a look through and read before you even start anything. There's some safety precautions. Yeah, very good information to have. It's always good with these builds to have some good quality tools. For this build, I'm just using the FlySky transmitter and receiver. I've got a Metal Gear servo there, battery, and I'm using the Tamiya electronic speed controller for this as well. Okay, let's get into the build, starting with step 1 and bag A. Also with this build I have swapped out all the plastic bushings and copper bushings for the ball bearings. Yeah, there's actually quite a lot in this kit, so yeah, if you are going to do this one, yeah, you will need a lot of bearings. Just using the standard 540 type motor in this build. A lot of gears in this gearbox. Yeah, there's no standard drive shafts or anything. Onto parts bag B now. Now fitting all the axles and lower control arms and upper control arms. Fitment of the front and rear drive shafts. Starting to look a bit more like a vehicle now. Parts bag C. time to start putting all the shocks together. It's definitely worth getting a pair of those shock pliers, yeah, so that way you can grip the shafts and not going to do any damage. That's both front and rear shocks on the car now. Onto parts bag D. Getting all the radio gear ready. Just got to make sure you have the transmitter all zeroed out for your trims before you connect everything. Yeah, make sure your steering servo is all centered as well. Doing all the steering arms now. Those shock pliers, yeah, definitely come in handy with this as well, so that way you can hold the steering shaft, so that way you don't mark them as well. Fitment of the battery cover and steering servo. Fitment of the wheelie bar as well at the back. You have two actually different positions that you can have it depending on how big of wheelies you want to do, and also fitment of the electronic speed controller and receiver. Fitment of the rear exhaust pipes and light buckets as well. Up to bag E now. Assembling the wheels and the wheel trims. Fitting up the tyres now. Front bumper now with these very solid springs. Here's the body, already pre-painted in the electric blue colour, very nice. Still need to cut it all out. There's all the decals. Still need to cut the decals out. I used the Tamiya decal scissors and the Tamiya curved scissors for cutting out the body. Yeah, seem to be very good. Here's the body all cut out. Ready to put some decals on it. Here it is with all the decals on. Looks pretty good, nice and shiny. Now onto the driver and steering wheel. With the decals, with the driver you get all different eyes and sunglasses as well, which is pretty cool. So here's the driver all nicely done. Sort of went pretty close to the box art with it. Here's the driver all fitted. Fitting the body to the chassis now. And here it is, all done. This was quite an enjoyable build. This is my first comical car that I've done. I probably will get a couple more. I kind of quite like them. They're pretty different. Yeah, don't mind them. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you haven't already, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Also, if you've got some spare time, jump on our channel and check out our other videos. Might be something there that you might be interested in.